Welcome back to the 3D playbook. So in today's lecture we will model this part in SOLIDWORKS 2023. So here is the part, how it looks like. You can see, let me just show you. This is how it looks like. This is a through hole and it has also a drawing sheet for this part. So let's see how we can make it. So here is the drawing sheet for this part. The all dimensions are given here. The section AE cut is given here. Look, the circular feature, the section A for this circular feature, and other dimensions are also. So let's go make this. Go to the SolidWorks. Now here we will choose, let me select the sketch, and now here you have to choose the plane, the desired plane you want to work within. So I will just simply choose top plane because I will just make the bottom first. This one, the bottom here. 15 millimeter is the thickness and 90 by 130, and also of few radius on each edge, radius 10. So let's go make this. Let me select the center rectangle here. I will just simply place the pencil here at the origin like this. Select smart dimension, and what is the dimensions? 90 and 130. So let me select this line and it is 90 millimeter. Let me type 90 and this is 130. Let me type 130 here like this. We will apply the fillet feature later after extrusion. So go to the features, select extruded boss by base. Look, it is already selecting the face, so the direction is upward. So we'll just flip in this option and I will just simply place the amount of extrusion here, 15, and tick OK. Okay, this is the base with the width, and now let's apply the radius here at each edge. The radius 10 here. Look, 4 into radius 10. So there are 4 edges and the radius is, fillet is 10. I will just simply select fillet here. Let me select this edge, full preview, and also this edge, this one, and also this one. Okay, let me select OK here. Okay, go back to the drawing sheet, and there are four through holes of 8 millimeter diameter. So these holes are with the center of these fillets, means these holes are center with these fillets. So let's go make these holes first. Let me go to the hole feature, just simply select the option here and choose this one, simple hole, ISO double holes, and 8 millimeter of diameter here. Let me select through all here. Go to the position, 3D sketch, this 3D body, not this one. Let me undo it. This here, just track the positions and place your hole at the point, this point, and also for this point it will automatically select. Okay, let me delete it. I just mistakenly tapped inside the feature. Let me select OK here. Okay, the holes are created here. Look, these holes are through holes. We can see inside. Now go back to the sheet. Let's apply this feature of radius 150 and radius 70. If we see it from the top, it is given here with the thickness of 10 in the middle of this body, and extrusion for this 8 to 10 millimeter with radius 70 is given here. Look, 30 millimeter. Look, this flange, circular flange, is of 30 millimeters. So let's go make this. So how you gonna make this? Go to the sketch. Let me select sketch here, and I will just simply choose the mid plane here, this one, front plane. Now let's draw a hole first. Let me draw a hole first, this one. We will just simply make this hole, this one, in the middle, not the outer. We will make the outers later. So it is 42 millimeter, look, given here, 42 millimeter, this inside one, and the extrusion will go to 70. Let me select smart dimension, type 70, 42 here, 42 here, and let me select OK. Let me go to the features here, extruded boss by base. Let me select the geometry, and here I will choose this mid plane because I want to extrude this to the both directions equally. So the extrusion is 70 given in the drawing. Okay, now let's go back to the sheet. Now it's time to make these one. The outer one is 55 millimeter diameter, look, it is also given here, 55 at both ends, and the extrusion will go to 20 millimeter. So I will just simply select this face and create sketch here. Let me select a circle, draw a circle in the middle, this one, like this. Let me select smart dimension, and let's apply the dimension for the circle, 55 millimeter, enter. Okay, let me select feature, select extruded by boss by base. This one, no, not this time the mid plane, but the other direction. Let me select blind here. Okay, this direction, not this one. So what is the amount of extrusion? It is 20 millimeter as given in the drawing sheet. Okay, now we want to create another 55 millimeter of circle here. So instead of creating another, we will just simply choose mirror here. Let me select mirror, this one. Let me select the plane first, look, mirror face by plane. Let me select plane first, this one, and features, this is the feature, this one, and let me select OK here. Okay, go back to the sheet. Now there is another hole. Now let's apply 42 millimeter of diameter again to the inside. We will use cut here to the 10 millimeter at both faces. Let me select this face, create sketch here. Let me go to the circle here. Let me track the center point. This is the center point. Let me select smart dimension, and it is 42 millimeter. Enter. Go back to the features. Now we will choose extruded cut, not extruded boss by base, because we want to cut inside. We want to remove the material. Now let's choose extruded cut, this, and let me type the amount of cut here, 10 millimeter. Okay, now let me select mirror again. What is the mirror plane? And this is the mirror plane, and features to mirror, this one, and let me select OK. Go back to the sheet. Now it is time to make this through hole of 28 millimeter diameter. It is completely through all. So we will just simply select this face, create sketch again here. Let me select circle, select this point like this. Let me give smart dimension. Let me choose smart dimension and give this circle the dimension of 28 millimeter, like this. Let me select OK. Now we will go to the features and select extruded cut as usual, because we want to remove the material. Okay, it is selecting. Let me select through all and select OK. For this, look, the hole is ready. Through hole, Control 8 for normal view and Control 7 for isometric. Go back to the sheet. Now it's time to make this. Now radius 150, and it is joined with the 42 millimeter of hole, the inside one, the middle one. Look, the arcs are joined with the 42 millimeter. These arcs are tangent, 150 and 70 millimeter. Let me select sketch here, go to the plane, and I will just simply choose front plane because it is in the middle. Let me select 3-point arc here, this one. I want to choose the middle one and join my arc here, this point. Let me select again, I just missed it. Select this point and this point. Okay, let me give smart dimension to this arc, the radius of 170 here. No, not 170, it was 150 given in the drawing. Select. Let me select this line and this circle. Let me tangent. Okay, it is already tangent here. Now again we will choose arc here. Go back to the sheet, the arc of 70 millimeter. Let me select this point and this point. This arc is inside, so let me select this arc, this circle, and make tangent. Again select this arc, this, just keep pressing the control, and now let's give it dimension of radius 70 here. Enter. Okay, fully constrained and also tangent. Let me select. Now we have to choose the offset. The offset is given here, the offset of 10 millimeter. Let me go and offset entities, this line to the 10 millimeter. Enter. Okay, I will just simply close the sketch here. Select this point and this point. Select. Now let me trim entities. No, not trim, but let me extend entities like this. Okay, line extended, the arc extended. Now I have to cut the arc which is extending, this one. So for this, let me select a hole, again a circle, draw a circle like this. Okay, select. Let me go to the trim entities and I will just simply trim it. Okay, let me go to the features now. Control 7, isometric view. I will just simply select extruded boss by base and go to the sheet. We will extrude this one, not the offset one. Extrude this one to the 10 millimeter given here. Look, 10 millimeter. So I will just simply select this sketch, mid plane, and it is 10 millimeter, and select OK. Now go to the extruded boss by base, select this sketch and show, make it visible. Now we have to extrude this one, the last feature. How are we gonna do that? Select extruded boss by base, go to the detail of your part, and we will, for this we can't extrude directly from this sketch, so we have to go here, double click the sketch and select, go to the features, let me escape, Control Z, go to the extruded boss by base, cancel, let me select extruded boss by base, go to the details, and where is the first sketch in this? No, not this one, but this one. Okay, this one, this sketch. Right click, I will just simply select this geometry mid plane, and the extrusion will go to 30 millimeter. I just clicked it single time, not double time, so it has turned on the sketch mode 30. And let me select OK here. Okay, now let me hide this sketch. I just had turned the visibility on. Let me hide. Okay, so we have completed our part for today. Let me select this part, and I want to give it some appearance. Let me just go to the appearance here. Let me just scroll down in the tree browser, and I will choose this color. Okay, this one. Let me select OK. Oops, it did not do anything. Let me select color here, and let me choose some color for this one. Okay, this one. So this was our today's part. Hope you liked it and enjoyed it. Just comment down your suggestions for what should I make in the next video. Keep watching the videos, like the videos, and sub to the channel. Thanks for watching.